Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho ho ho! Did you know there's another gift giver who soars through the night sky each Christmas? But she doesn't ride a sleigh, she rides a broom. Her name is Befana, the Christmas witch, and she's one of my dearest old friends. Long ago in Italy, Befana was sweeping her little cottage when three travelers knocked on her door. They were following a bright star, the Star of Bethlehem. They asked if she would join them to find the baby Jesus, but she said, "I'm too busy cleaning." Later that night, she changed her mind. She gathered gifts and hurried out, searching for the travelers, but it was too late. Ever since, every Christmas Eve, she flies on her broom, searching for the Holy Child, and leaves gifts for good children she meets along the way. Befana has a heart as big as mine. Some call her a witch, but I call her a wonder. She reminds us it's never too late to share kindness and joy. And between you and me, she still keeps her broom handy to sweep away bad manners. Ho, ho, ho. So, remember, my friends, every act of kindness, no matter how small, brings a little more magic to the world. Even if you're late, it's never too late to do something good. Buon Natale. That's Merry Christmas in Italian. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.